My name is Divya Nagraj Papati. I recently completed Data Science, Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence course at SDLC Institute, Bangalore, Karnataka. I would like to share my review and feedback regarding the course content, the trainer, and my overall experience. The course content was highly relevant to my career goals and well organized. The trainer was very knowledgeable and communicated the concept effectively. However, sometimes in a rare cases about explaining some topics was bit fast, but the trainer had made sure that I understood each and every single topic well. The trainer has cleared all my doubts in the sessions or a class, which is the greater part of this course. The institute has provided an excellent facility, and also the online learning platform was easy to navigate. I had learned a lot more knowledgeable and advanced topics in this course. However, sometimes I faced issues regarding scheduling of classes, but the trainer had also made sure that I attend all the classes by scheduling some extra classes too. Overall, I had a positive experience of this course, and I had also learned a lot more knowledgeable things, while this course has helped me to gain lots of valuable skills too. I look forward to future opportunities to experience, and this institute will look forward to help me to find career or a job opportunities regarding placements to lead my career in a good passionate. I would like to thank SDLC Institute who had provided me this opportunity, and I would also like to thank Mr. Santosh sir who had helped me in joining the course. Last but not the least, I am gratefully thanking Mr. Praveen Kumar sir who was my trainer and uh, taught me every single concept about this course and had played a very important role about teaching in my life. Thank you so much, Mr. Praveen Kumar sir, for helping me and clearing everything regarding the course and for your teaching experience. Overall, I had a very good and a positive result about the course, and this journey was a